Everybody wants to start a podcast, but they don't know what the internal is, how this industry works. तो पहले सुन लो ये वीडियो एंड तक देख लो because by the end you'll know why I started podcasting and what you should know about the podcasting before you jump into it. पहली चीज़, ये podcasting जो इंडस्ट्री है, roughly 4.7 million पॉडकास्ट रजिस्टर होते हैं हर साल. दैट्स अ ह्यूज नंबर. ठीक है, बट उसमें से सिर्फ 3 लाख पॉडकास्ट ने पिछले 30 महीने में कुछ अपलोड किया है. दैट शोज़ यू द बिग गैप इन द फनल. ये फनल बहुत वाइड है भाई. इट्स वेरी वाइड. एट द बॉटम देयर आर 4.7 मिलियन पॉडकास्ट. ठीक है, बट ओनली उसमें से 3 लाख पॉडकास्ट ऐसे हैं जो अपलोड कर रहे हैं एट एनी गिवन पॉइंट. एंड कितने डेड पॉडकास्ट हैं कि जो आज तक हमें पता ही नहीं चले. पॉइंट नंबर 2, रिमेंबर हाउ वी सेड कि द फनल इज़ वाइड. सो द टॉप प्लेयर्स इन दिस इंडस्ट्री आर फ्यू एंड दे डोमिनेट द इंडस्ट्री. टॉप 10 पॉडकास्ट अगर किसी को नेम करने हो, दे कैन ईजिली नेम टॉप 10 पॉडकास्ट which they watch. But what about top 50, top 100, top 500 podcast? Nobody talks about top 500. So like we said, the tunnel is wide, the funnel is wide, and only a few survive at the top. A lot of podcasts get refined in the very first year, first 3 months. Those are the crucial time. ठीक है. Point number 3, अगर तुम सोच रहे हो कि इसमें क्या है, we just need to buy equipment and get started. एक बात याद रखना, equipment is the easy part. Equipment is the part where money solves your problem. That's only 5%. ठीक है, तुम आज जाके शाम को equipment खरीद लोगे. But what about having guests on the podcast? That brings us to our point number 4. कि the biggest challenge you will face is bringing new faces to the podcast, known faces to the podcast. अब क्यों आए कोई तुम्हारे शो पे? Why would someone come and collaborate with you and you think, yo, I'm going to get the biggest name the first day? Not going to happen. For the first few years, you'll have to get anyone on the podcast. Let's try to get anyone. I've talked to Carpenter. Again, he had something that I didn't know, so I just wanted to talk. ठीक है? So if you genuinely want to talk to people, you enjoy talking, you enjoy conversations, only then start a podcast. ठीक है? Because buying equipment is the easy part. Getting faces on the podcast is the hard part. Point number 4, nobody watches. And literally nobody watches your podcast in the beginning. And why should they? Your face doesn't hold any value. Your face value is 0 when you start. You are experimenting with new things. You are in the exploration phase. You are trying new things with new guests. So the attention span of the people, as you know, has gone off the cliff. ठीक है? And easy to say, in 2026 सबका attention span is 60 to 90 seconds. And if you're planning to do long form podcast which is 45 minutes, 1 hour, तुम YouTube stats खोल के देख लेना. First पहले 2 मिनट में ही a lot of people just step out of your and click on some other video. ठीक है? And for the longest, for first 2 years, you'll see no traction to your podcast. Get used to that if you are willing to start a podcast in 2026. Point number 5, if you start counting, you'll run out of patience. अगर तुम हर अपलोड के बाद जाकर अपने YouTube stats देखो, अपने Spotify के stats देखो, you'll run out of patience very quickly. You'll realize nobody's watching. It's a very few who's even interested in your podcast. Your friends will say they are watching, but nobody's actually watching your podcast at all. तो स्टैट्स देखना बंद करो. अगर तुम्हें एक्चुअल में पॉडकास्ट करना है, just do the podcast part and forget about it. Upload and forget. Do the basics, do the necessary part that requires your video to be pushed out there. But उसके बाद let video do its job. Point number 6, consistency is the key. तुम सोचो you post one podcast today, skip 2 months, podcast in the 3rd month, and then skip 1 month, skip 2 weeks. Okay, let's post 2 podcasts this week. Doesn't work. भूल जाओ. You have to be consistent. You have to post every single week. Only then it will work. I've seen the graphs. ठीक है? When I was posting 2 podcasts a week, the algorithm pushes. ठीक है. And consistency is the boring part, but it is the necessary part. You have to be consistent with your podcast. Upload एक दिन बना लो, it helps. Upload every Tuesday, upload every Saturday, pick a day, whatever works. Try with one a week. Start करो, one a week. See if you are able to be consistent with one a week. ठीक है. 3 months in, you are able to keep up the pace. One a week, and then you skip a week, and then again one a week, skip a week, and then you realize, okay, I'm being able to stay consistent, but every now and then I miss a week. Find why. Okay, इस कारण से I couldn't get the guest. The studio was too busy if you are renting a studio. I couldn't get the production guy. Find the loopholes and find the leaks and fix those. Start again. Let's say 2 a week. Oh, 1 a week, 2 a week. Find why you are going from 2 to 1. And you think 1 is more sustainable, then stick to 1 a week. And see if you can do that for a year. If you can do that for next 50 weeks. Consistency is your best friend in this game because it'll take time. Coming to my 7th point and my most favorite point about this is podcast is not easy money. अगर तुम सोचो कि you are in this game just for the money, my friend, let me clear the fog for you. Money comes very late in this game. For the first few years you won't see a single dime. ठीक है. अब you might find anomalies out there where they say कि हमने तो 6 महीने में monetize कर लिया, we were able to monetize in first 2 months. Yes, those cases are there, but let's talk about the majority लोग जो podcast शुरू करते हैं, for the first few years they won't see a single dollar. So if you genuinely enjoy talking to people, only then start a podcast in 2026. So point number 8, why am I still doing it? The reason for that is I like talking to people. I like talking to people from different walks of life. मुझे मज़ा आता है भाई लोगों के experiences सुन के, उनकी कहानियाँ सुन के, to see where they come from, to see where they are heading, what unique things people are doing. So if you genuinely enjoy that part, only then you start podcast in 2026. If this will be your primary source of income or you're thinking to make money out of it, delay it for now. Make yourself a cushion first. Find yourself a job. Find yourself something that brings in the money, and then start podcast as a hobby on the side, and then grow it to something that can become a major thing. And point number 9. This is the final point that you need to listen. Start anyways. If you genuinely want to start a podcast, understand the possibilities, understand the odds are against you, but that is the very reason you should start a podcast in first place. Because if you know a whole lot of people quit within the first 3 months and within first 1 year, this is your chance to jump into this industry and make a difference. If you have a unique idea and you like talking to people, just do it anyways and be consistent. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.